Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillah, I'm so excited, mashallah. We're here on behalf of Green Lane Masjid. Come here to show you the home that we've located for our Syrian family that's been accepted by the Home Office, alhamdulillah. One of the first masjids in the UK that's been accepted to sponsor a Syrian family. I'm going to walk you through, inshallah, to show you what kind of work has been going on here. This home is a 3-bedroom home. It has 2 receptions. Kitchen and bathroom is downstairs. As you can see, the painting and decorating has been complete almost. Most of the kitchen equipment is already plumbed in. So we've got the cupboards, the fridge freezer, the washing machine and the oven. Onto our first room. It was in a bit of a state before we actually acquired the property. A lot of work has been done here. We had a budget of £3,000 to complete the painting and decorating and the furnishing of this property. Alhamdulillah, we've reached halfway through that. We still need your generous donations to complete the rest of the budget so that we can get the wardrobes, the beds, the cupboards, the furniture downstairs. We're under 2 weeks away before the family arrive in the UK. And we want to welcome them and inshallah make them part of our family.